guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So let us continue with our designing SLD drawing. As you can see, this is for the first floor west piping SLD drawing we have completed yesterday. So let us continue with the ground floor. So you have to copy the riser first. So let's copy the riser for the west pipe riser. Simply copy this. Okay, and select any one of the points. So I'm going to select this point, lift point. Okay, and simply copy and paste it here in the ground floor. Okay, so you can see this is the gents toilet for the ground floor. So simply take the polyline, and you can see here is no additional private toilets. So is only 3 laboratories and 1 sink. Okay, and floor drain is there, floor trap, 4 floor trap is there. So first of all, copy the floor trap from here. So type CO, center point of the floor trap, and then simply paste it here. Paste right side. Now copy this and paste in every toilet. Okay, now you can copy one more floor trap here. Copy here for the sink. So I'm going to place it here, okay, below the sink. Okay, and for you can see here is 3 laboratories. So for 3 laboratories we are going to place one floor trap. So simply copy this, copy and place it here one. Okay, center of this laboratory here. Okay, so let us continue with the piping SLD drawing. So simply type PL. Okay, and from this floor trap, okay, this sink is here. So first of all, connect this floor trap. Type shift less than -45. PL shift less than -45. Okay, and connect it here. TR, type TR to trim the extra line. Okay, so I'm going to trim this line. Okay, and it's connected here. Okay, for this you should also connect this. So simply take like this. Okay, and shift less than 45. Type PL shift less than 45. Type PL shift less than minus 45. Type minus 45 to and connect it here. Tr double enter to trim the extra line. So you can see we have connected this one. Okay, and now you have to draw one more line here just to connect this flow drive or flow drain. So I'm going to draw this one line and now shift less than 45, connect in the main pipe. Okay, tr trim the extra line, type tr just to trim the extra line. Okay, and now connect this flow trap less than 45. Simply mirror this, type mi, select this one, select object first point and second point, erase the source object. Tr, now copy this, so copy this end cap co from here and paste it here. Okay, and match, use the match property, so source object, select source object and destination object. Tr double enter to trim this extra line. Okay, now simply copy this, so type co, select this point and paste it here. Okay, so you see already connected this. So now what you will do, this is 2.5 the outlet of the fixture. So take one circle of dia 32 mm, sorry, 32 mm, and copy this. I'm going to copy, one is here. Okay, and one is here. Again copy this and place it here to the sink. So this is the sink. Okay, and one is here. Okay, now what you will do, simply this from the sink, this piping will go to this, it will goes to the wall, and it will goes to the wall. Okay, it will drop to the wall. Simply use tr to trim the extra line. Okay, this pipe will drop inside the wall, and then from the wall it will connect to the flow drain. Okay, now what you will do, simply move this, select the center point and move it here. Now use tr to trim the extra line. Again here also tr, select the edge and trim. Okay, so it's already connected. Similarly you have to connect this outlet from the fixture, so this pipe also again go to the drop inside the wall, and from the wall it will connect to this flow trap. It will drop to the wall, tr double enter, from here it will connect to this also. Okay, tr double enter to trim the extra line. Okay, so now you can see we have connected this, and from this flow trap it will connect to the main line, so you can connect like this. Okay, now use shift less than 45, connect it here in the main line. Okay, so it will be connected like this. So for the gents toilet it has been done, so we have to keep continuation for this gents toilet, second gents toilet, and this is the ladies toilet. Okay, so in the ladies toilet only one lavatory and two lavatories here and one lavatory here. So how to connect this? Now what you will do, simply copy this, okay, and place it here. In each toilet. So I have placed. Okay, now what you will do, simply copy this, because of one sink, one lavatory, so you can place directly bottom of the below lavatory. So okay, and here is one, so you can again place below this lavatories. So I am going to place it here below this wash basin. Okay, and one I want to place it here. So again copy this one and place it here in between these two wash basin or lavatories. Okay, now what we'll do, simply draw the circle or pipe of diameter 32 mm. Okay, because of outlet, for the outlet from this sink. Okay, and place it here also. It will be the same for each lavatories. Okay, now simply draw the main line. So this is your main line. Okay, use shift less than 45 TR double enter to trim the extra line. Okay, now simply connect all these flow trap to this main line. Shift less than 45. Okay, and simply mirror this. So type mi, first point, second point, erase the source subject. Okay, and simply copy this end cap, copy from here and paste it here. Okay, use the match command, type ma, select the source object and select the destination object. Here double enter to trim the extra line. Okay, now simply copy this. So use CO and place in each flow trap. And this also you need to connect. So shift less than -45. Okay, TR to trim the extra line. Use TR command, trim command to trim the extra line. Okay, and now from this lavatories, this outlet going to the wall, that means it will goes to the wall, and from the wall it is directly going to this, go and connect to this main line. So use 45 and 45, you have to connect it here. Okay, similarly you have to connect this one, this from the outlet of this wash basin will drop inside the wall. Okay, and from this wall this pipe will connect to this flow trap. Here double enter, and from the flow trap the outlet will goes and connect to the main line. Okay, so shift less than 45. Here double enter to trim the extra line. Okay, so you can see we have connected here, and now this also you need to connect the outlet from this wash basin. You shift less than -45. Here double enter to trim the extra line. Okay, and here will come one end cap, so simply copy this end cap. Okay, and place it here. Now use the match command, so type ma, enter, select the source object and then select the destination object. Here double enter to trim the extra line. So you can see we have completed this single line drawing for the first floor as well as second floor. Simply type press Ctrl S to save. Okay, so this is for the ground floor, and this is for the first floor single line drawing. So in the next tutorial we will do how we will write the text and also the pipe size. Okay, after that we will create the manhole as well as will connect this pipe to the manhole, and from the manhole it will connect to the septic tank. Okay, so don't forget to watch my next tutorial, because the next tutorial will be very important, because we are going to design the septic tank as well. Okay, so I hope you guys learn something from this video. So please do subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed yet. So after finishing all this single line drawing, we have to create the double line drawing as well. The same drawing for the same plan and the same project. And after that, this drainage system once completed, then we will do the designing for the water supply. Okay, so continue watching my video, and if you still guys not subscribed yet my channel, so please do subscribing as well and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys once again to watch my videos, and please be with me and keep watching my video, and thank you once again. So take care, thank you, bye bye.